Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Hey everybody, northwest of here, those are winter weather advisories all the way from the western Great Lakes all the way down into the Rocky Mountain states. We have a developing storm out there which is going to bring winter weather northwest of here, big outbreak of severe weather south of here. We may get some thunderstorms here by this time tomorrow night. That's something we'll be talking about, but at least locally, no advisories for us. We may end up with a wind advisory because it's going to get windy, but right now, winter weather stays away to the northwest, and most severe weather, I think, is staying south. But again, we'll have to keep an eye to the sky tomorrow night, probably early tomorrow night when the front comes in. 47 to 41, that's a high and low for the day. There you can see the average is 70, the record high. We set that back in the year of 1960. We got some rain over the weekend, welcome rain, no doubt, but we're still way behind where we should be. 3.74 is the average for the month. We're only at 1.44. We're going to get a little more, but this system coming in tomorrow and tomorrow night is moving fast, so it's not going to be a major rain producer, but at least a little more rain will be possible with that front coming in. Wabash River and Terre Haute really hasn't moved a whole lot, still about 4.5 feet. So what are we tracking? Well, the big storm coming in over the next 24 hours. So windy and warm tomorrow. Thunderstorms are possible, maybe a few stronger storms. We'll watch that. Much colder and windy on Wednesday. As a matter of fact, wind chills drop into the teens on Wednesday, but it warms right back up as we start December. And actually, the beginning of December does not look all that bad. We'll show that to you here in a little bit. Terre Haute right now, 46 degrees. Winds are south at about 3. That south wind will continue, but it's not going to be 3 miles per hour tomorrow. It's going to be a lot more than that. Temperatures pretty much where they should be right now. We're running pretty much in the 40s. The developing storm is off to the southwest and headed our way. Already starting to see a little bit of snow out across the high plains, but not much going on with the storm just yet. Locally, everything looks good. We're clean on the Dorsa Automotive Doppler radar. So we have some breaks in the clouds tonight, early tomorrow, maybe a little sunshine for a while. Then the clouds will thicken, and then the main system comes in. So the best chance of rain for us, we may see a little bit getting in here toward the evening. You can see about 6:30, and then the front will move in, and that'll increase the chance of some showers and storms, maybe 10 p.m. to maybe 1 a.m. And again, it could be a couple stronger storms. That'll pass out of the area. Behind it, dry weather, but cold and windy as we take you into Wednesday to wrap up the month of November. And it looks like it's going to stay relatively calm for a while after that. The risk of severe weather tomorrow is mostly south of here. We're in what we call the low end, or the marginal risk, but the better risk of severe weather is well south of this area. So right now I think it's mostly south, but something we'll watch. The dew point numbers come up. When you see dew points hitting near 60, at least that's enough energy in the atmosphere to generate some storms, and that's why we'll be watching. Notice this is tomorrow evening. The front will move through, and notice the dew points drop dramatically as we take you into Wednesday, indicating the dry and colder air moving in. It's also going to get windy. Wind gusts tomorrow from the south could be up to 40 miles per hour. Wind gusts then as we get into the day on Wednesday from the northwest, maybe 30 miles per hour at times. So a lot of wind with this as well. Wanted to show you this. What's it going to feel like? Well, it's not a big deal tomorrow afternoon, but watch what happens behind the system. Wind chills could drop into the teens by Wednesday morning, so it's going to get cold behind this and kind of windy as well. Long term, don't see a whole lot going on after that. Another system may get in here with a few showers as we get you into maybe the second half of the weekend, but overall fairly calm until we get into the end of the weekend with another chance of some showers moving back in. So forecast goes like this for tonight. Cloudy skies. We won't see the temperatures drop a lot tonight, down to about 40. During the day tomorrow, windy and warmer. Any rain looks to come late in the day with a daytime high of about 62. Tomorrow night, showers and storms will be over by Wednesday morning. Otherwise, Wednesday is windy and colder. Cold on Thursday, but not too bad to start December. Temperatures back to 52 as we head for Friday. That's your forecast. Sports right after the break.